On your screen you see a circle, center A, and a chord from one point on the circumference to another point D on the circumference. Now a chord, C-H-O-R-D, is a segment that's drawn from one point on the circle to another point. Now the longest chord of a circle, what is it? It's the chord that passes through the center of the circle. That's the longest chord, and it's called the diameter, as I mentioned before. Now the two endpoints of the chord, this point C and this point D, divides this circle into two arcs. The smaller arc, this part here, and the major arc, this part here. Now the major arc is of course the larger of the two arcs, this part here. Now since the circle has 360 degrees, the sum of the minor arc, this part here, from here to here, let me see if I can draw the a circle arc with center between 2 points. Okay. Since the chord divides the circle into a minor arc and a major arc, the sum of those two arcs must be equal to 360 degrees. Now this chord here, CD, divides the circle into the two arcs. This arc here and this arc here. And this arc here is said to be 100 degrees greater than the smaller arc. What is the measure of the major arc? Pause the video and do the exercise. Remember, pause the video, pause, and do it. What is the measure of the major arc? Here is a minor arc, AB, divides the circle into this arc and a major arc. This is the center. Pause it and do the exercise. Have you done so? Great. Now, let's do together. Let the measure of the minor arc be x. So we say let AB equal to x, the length of AB. The length of the arc AB formed by the chord AB. So x refers to this distance here. Now the larger arc around here is 100 units greater than the minor arc. So the major arc is equal to x plus 100. Now the sum of the two arcs, one is x and one is x plus 200, sum of the two arcs would be the sum of the small arc, this part here, plus the sum of the larger arc, this part here, which is x plus 100. And that would be equal to this 360 degrees for a full circle. 360. I run out of space there. So let me erase that there. So we have 2x plus 100 is equal to 360. Therefore, x will be equal to 360 minus 100, that's 260, divided by 2. X is therefore equal to 130. This is the measure of the minor arc from here to here. So the major arc would be what? The major arc is x plus 100, so 100 plus 130, 230 degrees. And that's your answer.